Morning, evening, afternoon, forever you're watching, you are welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel so dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we have some series of questions we need to attend to. Look at the first one. It says, find the value for which these expressions are undefined. For something to be undefined, what does it mean? That means the value cannot be determined, or it's impossible to determine the value, or the expression does not have valid answers. For example, if you punch in the value of, let's say, 1 over 0 in your calculator, you see that you'll be seeing errors there, mass error. Why does it say it doesn't have answer, a valid solution? Now, if I say 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now, if I want to get the 6, I will say 2 times 3, which will give me 6. Now, I can reverse the order, but there is nothing I can use 0 to define. For example, if I say 1 divided by 0 is a number, there's no number I will multiply by 0 that will give me 1. That's the meaning of undefined. So let's look at this first one. It says y plus 2 over y squared minus 3y minus 10. So the first thing we do is we factorize the denominator. This becomes y squared. We equate it to 0. 3y minus 10 equals 0. Now let's solve it through factorization method. For you to factorize it, this times this will give us negative 10y squared. Now we look for two factors wherein when we multiply them, we'll get negative 10y squared. And when we add them together, we'll get what is in the middle. Now, what are those two factors that can give us this? 5 times 2 will give us 10, but negative 5 y and 2y will fit into that description, because this and this will give us negative 10y squared. When I add them together, I will get this. So I will replace the middle by the two factors. So this becomes y squared minus 5y plus 2y minus 10 equals 0. So factorize by grouping them. What's common here? Y into brackets. This is y minus 5 plus, what's common here? 2. 2 into bracket y minus 5 equals 0. So we have that the 2 y plus 2 y minus 5 equals 0. Therefore our y equals to negative 2 and y equals to 5. When we solve it, y plus 2 equals to 0, y equals to negative 2, and when we solve y minus 5 equals 0, y will be equals to 5. So the two values, possible values, or the two values for which this expression is undefined is negative 2 and 5. If you plug in negative 2 and 5 here, you will see that the expression here becomes undefined. All right, let's look at the second one. It's pretty much easy. X minus 5 equals 0. It's a straightforward one. So solve for this. X will be equals to 5. So the value for which this expression is undefined is when x equals to 5, because 5 minus 5 is 0, and you can't divide anything by 0. All right, the last one, the third one, let's equate this. This is x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. The same thing, we factorize it. This times this, that's negative 5x squared. Now, we look for two numbers, two factors, such that when I multiply it, I will get negative 5x squared. And when I add them together, I will get plus 4x. So what are the two numbers, or the factors I can get? I can have something like this, 5x and negative x. These are the two factors that will satisfy it. You can check out our series on quadratic equation, factorization method. You will understand how to list it better. All right, so we replace what is in the middle by these two factors. So this becomes x squared plus 5x minus x minus 5 equals 0. Factorize by grouping them. What's common here? We have x into brackets x plus 5 minus, what's common between these two? Negative 1. 1 into bracket x plus 5 equals 0. So we have that our x minus 1, x plus 5 equals 0. So solve it. Our x will be equals to 1 or our x is equals to -5. So these are the two values of the expression for which this is undefined. I hope you have learned in today's class. If you enjoyed the solvings for today, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, make a complex problem look easy. And if you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put it in the comment section. Or if there's anything you don't understand or you want me to tweet, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to it. Till we meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.